Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our group plays and collabs. Now all of this money that we save with these challenges goes towards my debt at the end of each month. I clear out this binder and put it towards debt, or in this case this month it might go towards my emergency fund, but normally goes towards debt. So let's get started. I have $70 here today. Our first challenge here is Lil's and her group play for the first quarter. We are almost done with this. So let's roll and see what we get. And that is a 4. I feel like, man, we've gotten a lot of 4s actually. So let's see if we have, oh, we don't have any money in this one. Okay, that's okay. So it's our first time doing this one. $4 saved with Lil's this month. All right, so how are y'all doing? How has your weekend been? I am hoping to get this posted on Sunday. What have y'all been up to? Next, we have my friend Vicky over at Vicky Thinks. We have been working on this roll and save for her for a while. A 4 again, y'all. Okay, and let's go ahead. We're gonna just finish this one. A 5. Okay, that's 9. So we're gonna finish this one up and save $9 today. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we will start on another one of hers next time. But yay, we have one challenge completed. So we're gonna put that in our finished challenges bag. Okay, then we have my group play for the month of April. This is my Springlings. So let's see what we get here. We get a 6 and a 6. So 6 by 6. We already crossed that one out. So let's see what else we get. I'm going to roll 2 die at the same time. 4 and 2, 4 and 2. Oh, that's a little caterpillar guy. That's $5. Okay, $5 going in here. Then let's do this little bunny hop one. This was for my members in Ko-fi. We got a 3. All right, so this bunny is moving up the ranks, moving on up there. Okay, so we'll save $3 with that. 1, 2, 3. And there's that one. And then we have this little box challenge, guys, that you can get in my Ko-fi. It's a couple dollars or free if you are part of my membership Scribblers tier. So let's roll and see which section we're going to be playing in. 3. Okay, so 2 and 3. Section 3 is called Parasol Pursuit. So we're going to roll and see which umbrella is going to be our umbrella that we're going to be using during this rainstorm. The rainstorm of life. This one is pretty cute. I don't know if it's my favorite though. I kind of like this yellow one or this one, this reddish orange one. That one's cute. All right, so $5 saved with that one. All right, and that's going to be it for that because I want to play with, where did my title page go? There it is. All right. April showers. All right, so I want to play with some other people's games, so we're going to put those away. We're not going to do double rolls on anything today for me. All right, so next we have Norelis and her March group play. So let's roll and see what we get. We got a 4. We've been rolling so many 4s today. We're going to use this blue color. I was really into the purples for a while there, huh? And this is from March, so we're still working on it, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, that's going to be it for that. Next, we have this collaboration with Lil's and Autumn, which we are almost done with. Each one of these unicorns is $2. Let's roll and see how many unicorns we're scratching off today. 1, 2, 3. So that is $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And we are almost done. We have $2 more left to go with that one. All right. Next we have Buttercup Budget's Slumber Party. This is a box challenge that she designed, and it is free on her Ko-fi. So cute, so cute. So let's see which section we're going to be playing in. Oops. 2. Okay, section 1, section 2. Section 2 is the snacks. We have finished this section. Instant noodles. Are you kidding me? Yes. That sounds amazing right now. We definitely need that at our slumber party. Let me make some change here because I do not have enough change. I thought I would have some money in my envelopes that I could like swap out, but I guess I cleared it out and I haven't really added much to them recently. So, you know, there's that. Okay, so we needed a 5. So we'll grab this 5, we'll put it in here. All right, moving right along. Next we have Savin' with My Peeps. This is by Restoration by Autumn. And we are almost done with this one, guys. We have one more roll. So let's see. Whatever we roll, we're adding 3 to. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I might have to make some more change over there, but that's okay. And we finished this challenge, guys. We finished on, what is today? 4/15. I can't believe it's only Tuesday. It feels like it's later in the week than that. And I don't know what all we saved because I forgot to write the numbers here. I didn't start doing that until later when I was like, oh, I should be writing that. But anyways, we cleared it out at the end of last month. So we'll see what we have this month for total savings. And we will put this in our finished challenges bag. Let me clear this out. And I'll put a new one in here eventually. All right, next we have Our Beautiful Budgets. And this one is a bingo game that I've been playing for a while now. So let's see what we get today. So this is a 3. And a 3 is some of these like wheat stalks. So that is $3 that we're saving. Let's just roll again. 5. A 5 is a hay bale. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, next we have this box game that Joe at CBA Mom Saves sent me. We're going to draw a card and see what it says. Search and save. Okay, we are trying to find the owl. Is it the owl and the parrot? There's the, what is that, a parrot? Yeah, I think so, right? So that is Baddies and Budgets. And I don't think I follow that channel, so I'll have to go check that out. Baddies and Budgets, and that's $1. And where is the owl? Let's see. There it is. Oh, that is Liam's mom, 247, and I do follow Liam's mom. So we're saving $3 with her. Okay, I have $4 now, and actually, no, I already put 1 in, so I need 3, 2, 3. So I already put the 1 in for Baddies and Budgets. All right, so I need to go check out Baddies and Budgets because I have not done that. Next, we have this challenge by Ladybug Budgets. I'm doing this as a roll and save. So we are saving $1 today. So we have 5, 6, and 7. $5, $6, $7 saved with this challenge today. Oh, this is not Savings Bridge. This is Big Bad Savings. Okay, next is my collaboration with several ladies here. I will link all of them below, but this is called Big Bad Savings, and it is a little board game that we've been playing. So I'm going to roll and see where I'm going next. I think I ended up here last time. So I'm going to move one space, and that is this one right here. So save $6. I need to get some wood to build my wooden house, because that is, you know, our next strategy. We are trying to get away from the big bad wolf. So you may have seen this from other people's channels. I think it's really fun and cute. So go get that from my Ko-fi page if you would like to play along with us. All right, next we have Galentines. I think we are almost done with this one. So let's see, this is probably going to be our last one. We have several more rolls here, and I think to save us some hassle, I'm just going to put this as a 2 and call it a day, guys, because I do not want an IOU. I know it's cheating, but I'm going to get stressed out, guys, if I have an IOU. And we didn't do any of our coloring challenges or anything. We didn't get to it all, guys, but we will start on the next one next time. But this challenge I started in February around for Valentine's Day. It's by Blessed Budgets by Abigail, Books and Finances, Boop and Budgets, Budget with Chuckles, Coffee and Budgets, Forming New Habits, Hustle and Flows Co., and My Budget Plans. And man, it has taken us a while to get through it, huh? The next challenge I would do if I had remaining funds is this one by Floating Funds. It's a color and save, which I love, and it is each icon I'm making $2. It's a 52-week challenge, so it'll be around for a while. The next one I have here is by Cindy Cat Budgets. It's a Hello Kitty color and save, and I've been having so much fun coloring this one and doing it, and we still have a ways to go with this one. Next we have Glory's Budget and her March group play coloring challenge. So I've done 2 of those, $5 each, but not this time. So sorry, so sorry. Then we have this one, Hunting with My Gnomies. This one, My Gnomies, by Saving with Tiffany. And I've been working on this one. I've had it for quite a while, so no money going into this one today, but we'll get you next time. Then we have this one, Hot Mess Express. This is by a collab with Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, Bookish Mama Budgets, Becca Budget 777, The Faithful Dash, Our Simplistic Life, and Lanybug Budgets. And we're going to see who wins. So far, we're tied right here. So we'll get you guys next time as well. All right, then we have this bingo card. This is by Restoration by Autumn, Vicky Thinks, Forming New Habits, and Cash and Color Budget. And we've done a couple cards on this, so we've started it, and we will continue that next time. We have this Road to 1K, which is $2 for each puzzle piece. And so far I've colored in 2 pieces with my friends here, Vicky Thinks and Melissa Manages. Then we have Budgeting Beezy. This is her color and save for March. She said $3 per icon. I can't remember if I'm doing 3 or 5. But anyways, I thought these pictures were really cute. All right, and then we have Norelis. This is just like if we have extra, which recently, as you know, we have not had any extra. So we have not done any of that recently. So that is it, guys. Next time we do this binder, we will start with Floating Funds. So let me put a little marker here to remind myself that's where we're starting next time. And we will continue to save for debt, to pay off some debt at the end of this month. Even though I feel like we're not making great progress this month, guys, any savings is better than no savings. So if you have made it this far, put a little light bulb in the comments for me, or anything that represents light, because I like this sticker and it's a good message. And thank you for being a light in my world, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.